Hey, what's up, YouTube? While I was installing this Humminbird Mega 360 on my Minn Kota Ultrex here, I was trying to figure out which cable I needed to adapt the transducer that's for the Minn Kota Ultrex, since when you get it, it only has one plug. So what you gotta do is you gotta buy this, and it looks like since I have a Helix unit, this is the Y cable that I need, since since I'm using a Helix 10. There's only one connector that's on the back of this unit. So I bought this one. Here's the part number again. What comes in the box is this extension cable if you need it. If you're just installing it to the bowl, you probably don't need this, since I didn't think I needed it. This is the Y cable. So this is the side that will plug into your Helix, and then this one will be the one that's coming off of the Ultrex, and this one you plug in for the Mega 360. It's also noted right on the cable which one to put in. So I had already zip tied this part. This one's coming from the Mega 360. This one's coming from my Ultrex. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. This is the Mega 360 side, and you plug it into the Y cable. I'll do it right here. And it just twists in. And the end that comes from the Ultrex, you just plug it into the second adapter. And then this side will go into this slot right here. Right here. Okay. Then one more step. I'll show you when I power on the unit. Alrighty, this might be an important part to it also. So usually when you power on your Helix, the transducer right here will usually be pinging and making a noise. You won't hear anything right now, but this is what you do in case if you can't get it to work. So what you gotta do is you gotta press the menu button twice. Oh, maybe just one time. Oh, let me focus here. Not focusing. Then you go down to yep, you go to sonar. And then you gotta go down to the so we're on Mega 360. That's what it's auto defaulted to. So we're just gonna keep going until we get this one, the HWMDI Mega 360. And when you do this, that'll start working. And just to show that it is working, you can hear it. And then for the Mega 360, there's these two little prongs right here. You just add a little water or saliva, and then it should turn on. So you hear it turning. Alrighty. And that is basically it. Like, subscribe, share the video. It might help somebody. Thank you.